Going to Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com. Should you invest time in training your staff to learn Kubernetes, or if you're a practitioner, should you learn Kubernetes? Straight to the chase, no, you shouldn't. You should absolutely know what a kubelet is. You should know how to manage repositories, code repositories. You should know how to manage container images. You should know your CI/CD process for testing and deploying code, but you should not spend time learning Kubernetes. I'm very, direct about this. You should leave managing Kubernetes to a service provider, whether you choose to engage somebody like Heptio to help you install and manage on-prem instance of it, which I would recommend you don't do, or you engage AWS, Google, Azure, VMware. The list goes on and on of the providers that can install and maintain Kubernetes as a service platform. Go with that. Add value where there's value. Have your people spend time on things that customers will see. Customers don't see Kubernetes. They see the services and applications that Kubernetes enables. So, straightforward. If you don't agree, you know what? Let's have the conversation. Follow me on LinkedIn, DM me on Twitter at CTO Advisor. My DMs are open, or comment in the YouTube video if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Talk to you next, CTO Dose.